All right. Do you believe in coin hunting in order to discover new prospects? Or is it a better idea to simply stick with the proven coins that are the most secure to invest in? So we definitely do believe in coin hunting. I mean, our entire platform, tokenmetrics.com, is designed for coin hunting. I mean, so we eat our own dog food because coin hunting is how you get those projects before anybody else invests, right? So we do believe in the more well-known coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, all the Binance, BNB, all those are definitely worthwhile in having in any portfolio. However, we also believe that you have to have some exposure to low cap coins because looking at the financial academic literature, low cap coins have been proven to outperform in the long term, right? If you look at factor based investing, do the research, right? Low cap is one of the 5 factors, right? So let me see if I can pull this up here, right? So 5-factor investing. So low cap, if you go to the literature, because I did have this somewhere, right? So I definitely recommend you look at, anybody out there can do research on this. So these are the 5 factors when it comes to investing, right? So you have value, you have size, you have momentum, you have volatility, quality, dividend, yield, other, right? Then you still have growth, inflation. But so size has been proven to contribute to alpha, right? You can go through and do all the research. Let me see if they have more on this here. So here, right? Size. With size, i.e. small cap strategies, the focus is on the shares of small companies. So this is looking at stocks, but we think that this can apply to crypto as well, right? So the focus is on the shares of small companies in the expectation that they will outperform those of large companies. This relationship was first demonstrated in a study by Rolf W. Bands in 1981. Subsequent studies confirmed these results. There are several explanations for the size factor, right? I mean, so basically, size has been proven to work. All right, let me see if they have any other more information on this. All right, but in general, low cap investing does work. It's been scientifically proven to work. However, the caveat is it has to be low cap value investing. You can't just go out there and invest in any low cap coin. Right? You have to find low cap investments that are value. Right? Meaning, what is value investing? Value investing means you're getting something cheaper than what it's actually worth. So you try to calculate the intrinsic value of something, and you try to get it at a cheaper price. So with low cap investing for crypto, for example, we're taking cryptocurrencies and we're trying to get them at a lower valuation than what we think they can possibly be down the road. And it's definitely something we believe in strongly. We highly encourage you to do the research into this, but it's something we think makes sense. So getting back to your question, does it make more sense to do coin hunting? Yes, right? The data and research shows that low cap investing does work. We think the same thing can happen in crypto. So it does make sense to try to discover the new cryptocurrencies out there. However, you have to have a value-based approach to finding those cryptocurrencies, not just swing trading or just finding something that's overpriced. You have to find something that's underpriced when you're doing that research, right? And having proven coins in a portfolio is also recommended. We think having a fully diversified portfolio, so 10 coins or more, we would say 10 to 30 coins, but 10 coins is the minimum in our opinion. Having those and having some exposure to some of the low cap coins is a good strategy in our opinion. And that's what we talked about earlier when we talked about the 10 coins to 10 million in 10 years.